When it comes to getting stuff done, I like fast, and I also like simple. But sometimes when you sing into one of these things, you get an Essin nightmare. Is that funny? I don't know. I'll risk it. So here's the problem. Maybe you don't have the world's best microphone, or you've got something good and you want to brighten up a vocal a little bit, but in the process the s starts to stick out and get actually really annoying. Well, I think I have not only a quick, effective solution, depending on how you use it, it might even be free. I'm calling this the magic minute, but I bet we can do this in under 30 seconds. So step one, go to masseyplugins.com. Here's the de-esser, click on that. It says $99. I'll get to that in a second. Stick with me. Go to demos, say what you're using, download the plugin. Step 2, open the plugin. Step 3, don't do anything. The way that this comes up on default almost always works. If you want to know what the things do, there's instructions on the website. You want to geek out, it'll all make sense to you if you understand how gear works. That's not what we're here to do today. This is the only thing you need to operate. Start playing the vocal.
2 trips around the sun.
That's the living. You can listen to the song on all the digital services. It's awesome. The more you push this up, the more reduction you get. So if we push it up really far,
2 trips around the sun.
See how the S's are basically gone? Pull it all the way down, nothing's happening.
2 trips around the sun.
Move this up until you get the S's to come down the right amount. 99% of the time, this plugin works and solves the problem for me, and all I have to do is that. So what do you think of that? Open the plugin, move one fader, solve your Essing problems. You can do that even if you don't really know how a de-esser works. Here's the catch with the $99. It's free to use in demo mode, it's fully functional, except it won't save. So when you open up the session again, it'll be like that in default mode. You would have to make a note about where you put this fader. If you pay the $99, it'll save however you set it up. That's a pretty fair deal. So if you're like me and you fall in love with this thing, pay for it and always be there for you. If you think stuff like this sounds kind of cool, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so we can continue the conversation. Talk to you guys later.